एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, आपका माइक ऑफ है। काइंडली ऑन कर लें ताकि आवाज आए।
Okay, so is this visible to everyone now?
यस
Yes.
मैम।
Okay, perfect. Right. Okay, so we were talking about these HR practices. Yeah. So we were talking about these are the contents that we will be covering in this session. And I was saying that I would rather call it as a discussion session. I would not call it as some kind of lectures. And these slides are not for all of you. These are for me, right? So slides के देख के सबसे पहले तो आपने घबराना नहीं है. We will be discussing about this industry academia gap, and then we'll be discussing about the real-time experiences of the HR. I would be sharing my experiences with you. If you would have any HR experience, or if you would have any kind of HR views and your questions, you can definitely ask me as well. And then we'll be talking about if HR is for everyone. I mean, if it's a job that everyone can do, or it's kind of the job that is not a piece of the cake for everyone, right? So that's what we will be talking about. We will be talking about the importance of the HR. We will be talking about the industry specific HR, that how HR is different according to the industries. Then we'll be talking about the traditional role of the HR, the HR trends in the growing industries. We'll be talking about the talent management. And finally, we'll be talking about the functions of the HR, that is functional side of the HR, and how it is being implemented in the organizations, right? So सबसे पहले तो we'll be talking about this theory practice gap. As I was just talking to you about this thing, that there is a huge gap between bookish HR and the HR which is being implemented into the sorry, in the organization, right? Reason being is when you start your first job, and if I'll talk about my experience. When back in 2014, I have started my first job in the HR, right? I saw a huge gap between what I have studied in my bachelor's, what I have studied in the books of the HR, that how it is exactly different from the things that I am currently doing in this organization, right? Um, I'll give you the brief introduction that I have started my HR career with the retail sector organization. And then I have also worked in the management consultancy, and then it's been probably 2.5 years that I have stepped into the software industry or the IT sector organizations. So I find obviously there is a huge gap in these kind of things, right? एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ कि आई वाज जस्ट सेइंग कि हर एक के माइंड में एक रोजी पिक्चर होती है एचआर की. दे हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ द fantasies regarding their very first job, and I'm sure you all would have these kind of the fantasies in your mind as well. Whenever we'll do the job, सबसे पहले fantasy होती है कि okay fine, we are going to the office, right? We would be there to order the things, और हम लोग वहाँ पे होंगे, हम जॉब करेंगे. Then you would have your separate cubicle and all these things. So we all have these kind of the funny rosy pictures in our mind, right? So I also have this kind of the rosy pictures in my mind, by the way. So normally होता क्या है कि whenever you start your internship in Chala, or right after graduation, or if you have done any of the internships, then you can relate to this thing, I would say. होता क्या है कि हमारे जो एक फंक्शन होता है एचआर का, दैट इज रिक्रूटमेंट एंड सिलेक्शन, एंड देन देयर कम्स द डेटा मैनेजमेंट. जब आप एज एन इंटर्न किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को ज्वाइन करते हैं, I'm not generalizing every organization, I'm not generalizing every job, मगर most of the cases जब कोई भी इंटर्न होता है उसको सबसे पहले कहा जाता है टू वर्क ऑन द डेटा मैनेजमेंट ऑफ दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. आपको फाइलिंग करवाई जाती है, आपको बताया जाता है कि दैट्स हाउ द थिंग्स आर. आपसे जो टैलेंट पूल होता है वो आपसे मैनेज करवाया जाता है, वो आपसे प्रॉपर्ली मेंटेन करवाया जाता है. एंड देन you just realize that these are the things and these are the functions जो कि मैंने तो बुक में कभी भी नहीं पढ़ा था कि एचआर ये भी होता है, राइट? सो वहां पे आपको थोड़ी सी चीजें सरप्राइजिंग लगना शुरू होती है. I would say कि probably someone would be very fortunate enough कि उसको एचआर का जो करियर है उसको स्टार्ट होने से ही मतलब जब whenever he will be starting his HR career, तो उसमें उसको जो फर्स्ट जॉब है किसी और HR के फंक्शन में उसको जॉब मिले. Probably in most of the cases, unfortunately, in our Pakistan, in our scenario of the Pakistan, हमारे यहाँ HR को सिर्फ समझा जाता है कि HR is all about hiring, HR is all about firing, and HR is all about making phone calls and finding the candidates for the job. Unfortunately, this is the only role of the HR जो कि majority लोगों की perception ये होती है हमारे यहाँ पाकिस्तान में. सो इवन की जो आपकी इंटर्नशिप्स भी जो होती हैं उसमें भी आपसे HR का यही फंक्शन जो है वो प्रॉब्ली परफॉर्म करवाया जाता है. Okay, right. The meeting would be ended in 10 minutes. Then we'll again be joining with the same link. So make sure कि आपके पास वो link हो और आप same link से दोबारा join कर सकते हैं right after 10 minutes, right? So make sure about this thing. So anyhow, this is the thing कि normally हमसे ये करवाया जाता है. And if I talk about my experience, luckily or fortunately, I would say मैंने जो first job start की थी that was in the function of compensation and benefits. Compensation and benefits is a very challenging kind of HR function, and it requires a lot of your energy. I would say it requires your focus. It's a very I would say the kind of a responsible function of the HR, because compensation में आपकी company की जो overall salaries होती हैं, salary management, payroll management, your benefits and remunerations and all these things, वो सारी उसके अंदर होती हैं, right? So it's a kind of a very, I would say, challenging thing, and I was kind of lucky enough that I got my very first job in the same HR function rather than in the recruitment or rather than in the training and development and all other HR functions, right? So यहाँ पे I would definitely would like to know your idea of a very first job, of your idea of your very first I would say internship that you would be doing, and we will be talking about this thing at the end of the session, right? So ये वो question होगा जिसके ऊपर हम लोग discussion करेंगे कि आपके mind में क्या picture है कि how your first job would be, how the things would be, and what your ideal organization would be, right? Okay, so ये तो हो गया था हमारा theory and practice gap जो कि वाकई exist करता है और probably हमें पढ़ते हुए realize नहीं होता, right? अच्छा, then we'll be talking about this I would say human resource management. Normally कहा जाता है कि जो perception होता है human resource management is that kind of the function जो कि कोई भी perform कर सकता है, right? And to some extent it is kind of I would say probably partially true, I would say not fully true but partially true, because बहुत सी organization में they don't have the proper HRs but yet they are running their organizations. बहुत सी ऐसी organizations हैं जिसमें account का बंदा है, he is managing the payroll of the organization. Probably एक software engineer है, एक marketing का बंदा है, he is managing the recruitment and selection function of that HR, right? So that's kind of I would not say totally true, I would say it's a partially true, but इसके अंदर भी हमारी कुछ limitations आती हैं, right? यहाँ पे एक कंट्री हेड थे एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी एक बात एक दफा की थी और वो बात मेरे माइंड में ना स्टक हो गई है रिगार्डिंग द HR, जो कि मैंने यहाँ पे कोट भी की हुई है. He said that human resource management is an art and the science of the management, right? It is the only resource, rest of the departments are the factors of production. HR को normally आप किसी भी HR प्रोफेशनल से जब बात करेंगे and you will be asking them कि HR क्या है, what is HR and how would they would define the HR. Majority of in the cases the people would say HR is the backbone of the organization. ये एक बड़ा pet sentence है जो कि हर HR professional आपको कहता हुआ नजर आएगा that it is the backbone of the organization. Now what exactly is meant to be that backbone of the organization? आपकी कंपनी की जो ग्रोथ होती है, आपकी जो कंपनी की प्रॉफिट्स होते हैं, these are the things that is totally dependent on the functions of the HR, right? Right. Okay. So when we talk about this thing कि HR जो है it is probably for everyone, because obviously you would be working under the domain of the HR. हर कोई HR के साथ उसका interaction होगा, but it is not for anyone, right? I remember when I was working with one of the retail sector organization in my department, there was a team member She had no proper HR degree. She had no proper HR qualification, whereas on the other hand, I was somehow from the field of the HR. But yet she was managing the payroll or the compensation and benefit functions of that organization. So हो क्या रहा था, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में वो पेरोल रन भी हो रहा था, लोगों को सैलरीज भी मिल रही थी हर मंथ में, बट एट द सेम टाइम सब कुछ स्मूथली चल रहा था, देयर वाज नो इशू एट ऑल. बट होता क्या है, again there comes a debate of degree versus skill. She may have the skill of running the payroll function, she may have the skill of running the compensation and benefits function in that department, and she was managing the payroll of probably headcount of 1400 plus employees back then in that organization, right? So होता क्या है, काम भी हो रहा है, सब कुछ हो रहा है, but प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि आप सिर्फ टास्क स्पेसिफिक होते हैं, यू आर नॉट द फंक्शनल स्पेसिफिक, राइट? सो दीज आर द थिंग्स. एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको इसको देती हूँ, रिक्रूटमेंट है, राइट? anyone can do the recruitment. If I would be sharing some requirements with any of my friends, so हर कोई recruitment का function जो है वो perform कर सकता है, right? But the problem comes when you would have to make the strategies, when you have to strategically align the things, when you have to strategically implement the things. This is where the problem comes. उसको तो सिर्फ पता है कि मैंने एक रिक्रूटमेंट करनी है, मुझे एक सीवी ढूंढना है, मुझे यहाँ से एक सीवी उठाना है, मुझे वहां से एक बंदा पूछना है कि अच्छा आप अवेलेबल है जॉब के लिए, और वो सीवी उसने कंपनी को फॉरवर्ड कर देना है. बट जहाँ पे रिक्रूटमेंट गैप्स आएंगे, हायरिंग गैप्स आएंगे, जहाँ पे उसको पूछेंगे कि व्हाट इज द टर्नओवर रेट ऑफ दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जब जहाँ पे उससे पूछेंगे कि व्हाट आर द लूप होल्स in this overall recruitment processes, he won't be able to probably strategically think on these things. ठीक है? तो HR ठीक है, anyone can perform, but when it comes to the alignment of the strategies with some kind of organizational goals, he won't be able to make the on-spot decisions. Interpersonal skills की अगर बात करूं तो interpersonal skills जो आजकल बहुत probably in the trend हैं, आपको हर जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन, इफ यू विजिट एनी ऑफ द जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन, आपको 2-3 पेट सेंटेंसेस हैं जो कि आपको मिलेंगे. द फर्स्ट वन इज यू वुड हैव टू बी अ गुड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर. द सेकंड वन वुड बी यू हैव टू बी अ गुड डिसीजन मेकर. यू वुड हैव टू बी समवन who is self-driven or who would have some emotional intelligence. So with the passage of the time, हमारे जो skills हैं that are required for these kind of the jobs, they are being changed as well. Right? Normal perception ये होती है कि HR and that is a very valid question, I would say, because समझा जाता है कि when you talk about this HR thing, right? Right. Okay. So when we talk about this HR thing, consider
Fatma, Fatma, I just want to say something. These interruptions are perfectly fine. You need not to worry about the interruptions that are in your surrounding or in your environment. That are perfectly fine, understandable.
Okay,
so need not to worry about that. Yeah, we are fine with that.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Probably after 2 minutes, you can rejoin from the same link, right? Okay. So what I normally consider, someone asked me if the personality type also depends upon the kind of the profession that you are choosing, right? I would say yes, it has a huge role to play. For the jobs like HR or for the job like marketing and all these things, you somehow would have to have the personality of an extrovert. You would have to have the personality of ambivert, I would say as well, because probably there are some HR professionals which I know they are hell introverts, but yes, they are managing the HR functions very effectively and very well. But this is probably the skills that play a huge role, right? HR is HR. It's not only about the develop or the retain or to engage the employees. HR is more than that, I would say. आपको organization में जाना होता है, you would have to listen to the employee grievances, you would have to listen to the employees queries, you have to strategically make the decisions on spot. कोई ऐसा disciplinary action हो जाता है, you would have to be proactive, you would have to be I would say spontaneous in making those kind of the decisions. So keeping in view all these things, HR is not only about कि आपने employees को hire करना है, retain करना है, develop करना है, and that's it, right? Okay, the less than 1 minute is left, so I guess let's wait for the session to end and then we can rejoin, right? Okay, everyone, let's rejoin the session with the same link. I am ending the session.